Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony brand Blu-ray or DVD player and it's giving you on the display, you put a disc in and it doesn't play it, and instead it puts up a C:13:00 on the display, and you're wondering what's going on and what do you need to do to get rid of this. So this is a real simple error. This gives you, the machine will give you this error when it knows you've put a disc in, but it's unable to properly read it. So the number one thing you need to do to get rid of this error is to just try to take the disc out and clean it off. And if you've taken it out and you've cleaned it off and it's still giving you this error, now, like 80% of the time that'll fix it. But if it doesn't fix it, then you can just take a closer look at the disc and see if there's any major scratches or anything like that in it. And if there are, you can actually repair a disc. They have tools that will repair the disc so that it will at least be readable. And then if you've done that and you're still getting it, I would just try putting a different disc in it. And then that should work. And if that works, that means you're just going to need to get a new disc. That disc is too damaged, or there's something wrong with it where it's not readable. But anyways, I hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.